Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Story Channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Story Channel. This is a place where we're learning.
All right, we are back. Good to be here.
Okay, today's topic. It is a little scary for some people.
Oh no, what is it?
Phrasal verbs.
Yes, scary.
But don't worry, we are going to make it easy today.
Very easy. A1 level, simple examples, simple sentences.
Because phrasal verbs are not as hard as people think.
Really?
Really, you probably already use some of them every day.
And you don't even know it.
Exactly. So today, we are going to learn what phrasal verbs are and how to use them in daily life.
Let's go.
Okay, first question. What is a phrasal verb?
Good place to start.
A phrasal verb is a verb plus one or two small words.
Small words like up, down, in, out, on, off.
And together, the verb and the small word, they make a new meaning.
A new meaning. Yes, that's the interesting part.
For example, the verb wake. You know wake, right?
Yes, to wake, to stop sleeping.
Right, but wake up, that's a phrasal verb.
Wake up. I wake up at 7 every day.
See? You use it every day.
I didn't even think about it.
That's the thing. Phrasal verbs are everywhere, in movies, in songs, in conversations.
You just need to notice them.
Exactly. Once you start noticing, you see them everywhere.
Okay, so let's learn some, one by one.
One by one, easy and simple. First group, morning phrasal verbs.
Oh, I like this because we all have mornings.
We do. Okay, number one, wake up.
To stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 every day.
Or wake up, it's late.
Very useful sentence.
Very useful. Number two, get up.
Similar to wake up, but get up means to leave your bed, to stand up.
I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:30.
Because you stay in bed for a little bit?
Just a little bit. Okay, number three, put on.
Put on, like clothes?
Yes, to put on clothes. I put on my jacket. I put on my shoes.
So put on means to wear something.
To start wearing something, yes.
I put on my coat because it's cold.
Perfect. And the opposite, take off.
Oh, take off your shoes.
Yes, to remove something. I take off my jacket when I come home.
Put on and take off, opposites.
Good pair to remember together.
And one more for the morning, turn on.
Yes, turn on the light. Turn on the TV.
To start a machine or light.
And the opposite, turn off.
Turn off the light before you sleep.
Turn on and turn off, another good pair.
So many pairs, easy to learn together.
Always learn opposites together. It helps. Okay, second group, phrasal verbs for going out.
Going out, like leaving the house?
Yes, when you go outside, when you go somewhere.
Okay, what's the first one?
Go out.
That's simple.
It is simple. Let's go out tonight. It means to leave home and do something social.
Like go to a restaurant or meet friends.
Do you want to go out this weekend?
Yes, please. Okay, next one.
Pick up.
Oh, pick up, like to collect something?
Yes, can you pick me up means can you come and get me in your car?
Very useful. I will pick you up at 8.
Or I need to pick up some milk from the shop.
So pick up means to collect, to get something or someone.
Exactly. Next, drop off.
The opposite of pick up?
Yes, I will drop you off at the station. Means I will take you there and leave you.
Like in a car. Can you drop me off here, please?
Perfect. Very useful when you are in a taxi or with a friend.
Okay, what else?
Look for.
Look for, to search for something.
I'm looking for the bathroom. Very useful in a restaurant or a shop.
Very useful. I'm looking for the exit.
I'm looking for a blue jacket. Do you have one?
Great phrase for shopping.
And one more, run into.
Run into, like an accident?
Not exactly. Run into means to meet someone by accident, by surprise.
Oh, like I ran into my old friend at the supermarket.
Yes, you didn't plan it, it just happened.
I ran into my teacher at the cafe yesterday.
Always a little awkward.
Always a little awkward, yes.
Okay, third group, phrasal verbs for talking and communication.
Oh, we need these because we talk every day.
Every day. Okay, first one, call back.
Call back, to call someone again?
Yes, to return a phone call. I'm busy now. I will call you back later.
Very useful. Can you call me back in 10 minutes?
Or, sorry I missed your call, I'll call back soon.
Good, next one.
Hang up.
To end a phone call.
Yes, she was angry and she hung up.
She ended the call without saying goodbye.
Not very polite, but very real.
Very real. Okay, what else?
Speak up.
Speak up, like talk louder?
Yes. Can you speak up, please? I can't hear you.
Very useful in a noisy place or on a bad phone call.
Sorry, can you speak up? It's very loud here.
Simple and polite.
And bring up.
Bring up, to start talking about something.
Yes, to mention a topic. She brought up an interesting question.
Or, I don't want to bring up that topic, it's difficult.
Means I don't want to start talking about that.
Useful for sensitive conversations.
And one more, catch up.
Oh, I know this one. To talk with someone you haven't seen in a long time.
Yes, let's catch up soon means let's meet and talk, share our news.
I haven't seen you in ages. We need to catch up.
Very friendly and warm phrase.
Very friendly. I like it.
Okay, fourth group, phrasal verbs for problems and feelings.
Oh, this is important. Life has problems.
Life has problems. Yes. First one, give up.
Give up, to stop trying.
Don't give up. Very common phrase.
Don't give up. Learning English is hard, but don't give up.
Exactly. Keep going. Don't give up.
We say this to our listeners all the time.
We do, because it's true. Next, cheer up.
Cheer up, to feel better, to be happy again.
You look sad. Cheer up.
Or, she cheered up after hearing the good news.
You can also say it to someone who is sad. Cheer up. Things will get better.
Friendly and kind phrase.
Next, calm down.
Calm down, to relax, to stop being angry or nervous.
Please calm down. Everything is okay.
Or, I need to calm down before the exam.
To calm yourself or to tell someone else to calm down.
Be careful with that one. Telling someone to calm down can make them more angry.
That's true. Use it carefully.
And figure out.
Oh, yes, figure out. To find the answer, to understand something.
I can't figure out this problem.
Don't worry, we will figure it out together.
Very useful for difficult situations.
And the last one in this group, get over.
Get over, to feel better after something bad.
I was sick last week, but I got over it.
Or, it takes time to get over a sad feeling.
To recover, to move forward.
Positive phrase about being strong.
Okay, now let's practice. Real dialogues, work situations, so you can hear phrasal verbs in real conversations.
Yes, let's do it.
Dialogue 1. Two colleagues. One calls the other at work.
Hello?
Hi, it's me. Are you busy right now?
A little bit. I'm in a meeting. Can I call you back in 10 minutes?
Of course, no problem.
10 minutes later. Hey, sorry about that. I had to turn off my laptop and find a quiet room.
No worries. So, I need to bring up something important. The manager wants a report by Friday.
Oh, I didn't know that. Can you send me the details?
Yes, I'll send everything now. And please, speak up in the meeting today. Your ideas are really good.
Okay, I'll try. I'm a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. Cheer up. You know this topic very well.
Thank you. I needed that. See you in the meeting.
See you then. Bye.
See? So many phrasal verbs in a very normal work conversation.
Call back, turn off, bring up, speak up, cheer up.
All in one short phone call between two colleagues.
That's how natural they are.
They don't sound special. They just sound normal.
Because they are normal. They are everyday English. Dialogue 2. Two colleagues at the office. There is a problem with a project.
Hey, do you have a minute?
Yes, what's wrong? You look tired.
I am. I can't figure out this problem with the presentation. I've been working on it all morning.
Don't give up. Show me. Maybe I can help.
Thank you. I really need help. I don't know where to start.
Okay, let's look at it together. Cheer up. It's probably not as hard as you think.
I hope so. I almost gave up an hour ago.
I know that feeling, but you'll get over it. Once you understand, it gets easy.
Okay, let's try. Oh, and can you speak up a little? It's very noisy in the office today.
Of course. Is this better?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
No problem. That's what colleagues are for.
Again, so many phrasal verbs. Very natural.
Figure out, give up, cheer up, get over, speak up.
All in a short work conversation about a problem.
This is how real people talk. In the office, every day.
Okay, let's go over everything we learned today.
Morning phrasal verbs. Wake up, get up, put on, take off, turn on, turn off.
Going out phrasal verbs. Go out, pick up, drop off, look for, run into.
Communication phrasal verbs. Call back, hang up, speak up, bring up, catch up.
Feelings and problems. Give up, cheer up, calm down, figure out, get over.
That's 20 phrasal verbs. All very common, all very useful.
And all A1 friendly. Simple sentences, easy to remember.
The best way to learn phrasal verbs is to use them.
In real sentences, in real conversations.
Don't try to memorize a big list. Just learn a few and use them today.
I woke up at 7, I put on my coat, I picked up my friend.
Start small and grow from there.
The snowball gets bigger as it rolls.
Exactly. Okay, to everyone listening, thank you so much for being here.
You are doing a great job. Keep going. Don't give up.
We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.